So just concluding our, sort of summary of HTML, CSS, JS, we'll go into a lot more depth, but what is JS? If HTML is the skeleton and CSS is the appearance, JavaScript is the behavior. And the idea is that once you've got a pretty HTML page and it's all styled with CSS, you can make it dance. In the early days of the web, JavaScript was just for alert boxes, but nowadays it's used for things like client-side validation, i.e. confirming that an email is valid, creating input widgets, pulling content from remote servers to create news feeds, playing games, or embedding API functionality. Essentially, if you can imagine it on the front end, JavaScript can handle it. In addition to the server-side stuff that we've been doing, just to reference MDN one more time, the MDN JavaScript page is another great page for jumping off, going through all these links, and yes, you'll become pretty expert. In particular, one thing I want to call out is this reintroduction to JavaScript. This is a great, sort of tutorial / summary that goes through, basic JavaScript types and, functions and control structures, things of this nature. And if you know JS, go through this anyway. It'll, kind of refresh your memory. If you don't know JS, but you do know how to program other languages, this is probably like one of the single best pages. So that's kind of the concept of JS. Very, very basic. We'll do a lot more, but it's the dynamics of a page.